To be doing a startup and shutdown test of the iPhone 4, the iPhone 4S, the iPhone 5, and the iPhone 5S. So we're going to start with a shutdown test, and once they boot back up, we'll be doing a geek-bench 3 test. Alright, slide them to the end and get ready. 1, 2, 3. That's perfect. Well, surprisingly, the iPhone 4 shut down before all of them. Right there. It's kind of surprising.
Oh, they shut up at the same time about. That one was a little bit later.
And the iPhone 4S. Alright, so now we're going to do a boot up test here. So this is going to be a little bit hard to do. 1, 2, 3. So the iPhone 5 finished first, as expected. Followed by the iPhone 5, followed by the 4S. And we're still waiting on the 4. And finally the 4 finished. So I'm going to go ahead and unlock these phones. Alright, so now we're going to run a geek-bench 3 test. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3. The iPhone 4 has Apple's A4 processor in it, and it's clocked at 800 megahertz. The iPhone 4S has the same processor, clocked at 800 megahertz, and it's an A5 chip. The iPhone 5 has Apple's A6 chip and is clocked at 1.3 gigahertz, which is significantly faster than the iPhone 4 and the iPhone 4S. And the iPhone 5S has 1.30 gigahertz processor, and it has Apple's A7 processor. So the iPhone 5 finished, or 5S finished first. We'll see what this has got here. It's funny that they call it the iPhone 6 here in Model ID. I don't really know why they do that, but it's a little bit of a joke. We're still waiting on the iPhone 5, 4S, and 4 here. When the 4S finishes, we will time to see how much longer the iPhone 4 takes. Okay, and the iPhone 4S is now finished. Okay, and the iPhone 4 has now completed the task.
It took about 2 minutes and 9 seconds longer than the iPhone 4S.
Alright, so it looks like here that the iPhone 4 and 4S single core speed is not that much faster, which is what we'd expect. The multi-core speed is almost double the speed, so that's definitely an improvement there. The iPhone 4S and the iPhone 5 single core speed is more than double, and the multi-core speed as well is more than double. And then the iPhone 5S, Apple guarantees is double the speed of the iPhone 5. So we can clearly see that here in the results of the Geekbench 3 test. But don't let the results speak for themselves. Just use the device and you can clearly tell a difference. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.